Leo! Get up! It is 6 o'clock in the morning! Yes, Mother. I am awake.
Do not call me Mother. Call me Sarah. Now, go to the kitchen. Make breakfast quickly.
Okay, Sarah. I will make eggs and bread.
Make hot pancakes for Mia. She loves pancakes.
You only get dry bread. Yes, Sarah. I understand.
Leo, where are my shoes? Are they clean?
I am cleaning them now, Dad. Dad, Mia is still sleeping in her warm bed. I have been working since 5 o'clock.
Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my sweet angel.
Good morning, Princess.
Ew. These pancakes are cold. I do not want them.
Leo, come here right now.
You made cold pancakes for Mia. You are useless.
But I made them 10 minutes ago.
Stop lying, Leo. Say sorry to your sister.
I am sorry, Mia. Go make me new ones. And bring fresh apple juice. Okay, Mia.
And sweep the floor. It is dirty.
But I did not eat my bread yet.
You can eat after you finish your work. Go!
Yes, Dad.
This red ball is so fun. I will throw it very high. Oh no! Mommy's favorite glass vase.
Mia, what happened? Leo, look! The glass vase is broken. Dad said no playing inside. Shh. Do not tell, Mommy.
My beautiful glass vase.
Who did this?
Mommy. Daddy. It was Leo.
What? No! I was sweeping the kitchen floor.
You broke my favorite thing. Please, Sarah, believe me. Mia had the ball.
Shut up, Leo. Do not blame your little sister. She never lies.
Dad, please, look at my wet hands. I was washing the dishes.
You are a liar and a bad boy.
You are grounded, Leo. No dinner for you tonight.
My stomach hurts. I am so hungry. Mia, why are you doing this? I always help you with your homework.
Go to your dark room, now!
Yes, Sarah. Yes, Dad.
It is so dark and cold in this room. My stomach hurts so much. Why does my dad hate me? Why does Sarah hate me?
I cleaned the house. I washed the dirty clothes. I cooked the food. But they only love Mia. Mia lies, and they believe her. My real mother is in heaven. Mother, I miss you so much. Please come back. Please help me. I am so tired, so hungry, and so sad.